Okay, so in this video we will be learning about arithmetic in Python. So Python can be used as a calculator where when I say calculator we can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and even exponential values. We can how to handle that scenarios I will learn in this video. And also we will learn about parenthesis, like how using parentheses we can prioritize our calculations. So let's get started with that. So let's say I'm adding 10. So using plus operator, this I can use. So this is basically add operation. Then basically we can do subtract operation. So let's say I am subtracting. Okay, so this is subtract. Okay, and then I can use division function. So division function is, let's say I'm dividing 32 by 6. So this is your divide, and you will get that. So there is another division type of division we do, where if you, for example, if I only need the integer part, not the float part. Next video we'll learn about data types. So you'll just ignore the float part and it will just give you the integer part. And also we can do multiply. So let's say I am doing 8 into, let's say, 5. So this is your multiply. Okay, so this is how we can do that. And for example, for exponential values, if I want to compute, let's say, 2 raised to power 3, which means 2 multiplied by 3 times, right? So this is it. To compute that, we have even a shorter way of doing it, which is like 2, I want to raise it to power 3. So 2 raised to power 3, this is how we should treat it, and it will give the same result. And the another operator which we can use, which comes very handy, is modulus operator, and that is the percentage sign. So basically this operator returns remainder of the division of the numbers on the left by the number on its right. Okay, so whatever remainder in the left number is, remainder is given as, like, for example, if I want to identify a number is even or odd, right? Let me see, if I divide by 5 divided by 2, right? A number is even and odd if it is completely divided by 2. So if there is no remainder, it is even, and if it is some remainder, which is 1, yeah, so this is odd number. And now let's see what about 4. So there is the remainder 0, so there is, say, the even number, right? Now lastly we'll see how we can use parentheses to prioritize our code. So let's say we have this simple expression here. So this is outputting 7. Now you see the difference when I use 1 plus 3, so 2 multiplied by 3. Now there is a different answer, right? So it prioritize this to perform first and then the remaining. That's all for this video. Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.